Yes, I highly recommend you. It's not for beginner, it's absolutely expert. Where to install it, Python ID and ZBean, and where to experience before run code. So now today I am going to show you a project. It's not beginner. I have to research before couple of weeks ago, and today I will run it and show you how to work. Okay, no more talk. Let's go to the work. Def main number equal input enter the number okay, then def def recursion if n greater than 1, then return n, else okay, then return n plus recursion n minus 1 if number greater than 0, okay, then print. Let me check the values object. Natural number, okay, natural number begin from 1, else print okay, then if underscore name main, okay, main, okay, let me yes, rename, okay, run it. Now I put the number 23, then I get the sum is 276. Okay, here we finish our project. Thank you very much.